Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the can and area. Shake the Raid for 10 to 15 seconds to mix the propellant, then test spray for 1 to 2 seconds to confirm pattern. While doing this, make sure to open a window or vent the room 1/2 inch so fumes escape. Aim for cracks, baseboards, and entry points first. You want the spray to coat surfaces, not saturate them, because that allows the active ingredient to transfer where roaches walk and hide. Once ready, hold the can 6 to 8 inches from the surface and apply short bursts rather than a continuous stream. This reduces waste and prevents puddling. Target cracks, crevices, behind appliances, and drain openings because roaches prefer dark, confined spaces. Make sure to coat edges and undersides where they travel. Continue methodically along baseboards and cabinets. If a nest is present, repeated light treatments over several nights are more effective than one heavy application. To finish, allow treated areas to dry for about 10 minutes and then wipe any excess where children or pets might touch. Keep pets and food away for about 2 hours. Make sure to reapply weekly or after cleaning to maintain a barrier, and combine sprays with bait stations for better control. If roaches persist despite proper use and sanitation, call pest control because a severe infestation often needs professional-grade products and inspection to find nests hidden in walls or plumbing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.